Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to market your Notion templates and start making sales, all without having to use social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. If you want to attract buyers for your digital products but you don't want to post constantly or chase trends, this method is going to be perfect for you. By the end, you'll have a powerful marketing strategy set up using Pinterest and Etsy, two amazing platforms for digital sellers. Let's jump straight into it. First things first, you'll need a Pinterest account and an Etsy shop. Pinterest, as you might know, is a visual search engine, not just a social network, and it has millions of users looking for creative solutions and products just like yours. Setting up a Pinterest account is pretty straightforward. Just head to Pinterest.com, hit sign up, and fill out your basic info. You'll want to make sure your profile looks professional and ideally matches the branding of your Notion templates. And for Etsy, the process is similar, but you'll be setting up a shop instead of a personal profile. Make sure you fill in your shop details, upload a nice profile picture, and write a clear, inviting description about what makes your Notion template special. It might feel like a lot to juggle, but think of these platforms as your digital storefronts, places where your products can live and reach an audience 24/7. Now let's move to the fun part. Showcasing your Notion template. To do this, you'll need to capture a really great screenshot that shows off your product. Open up your Notion template and make sure it looks neat and appealing, just like you. Tidy up your house before inviting guests over. Then open the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension called Go Full Page. This little tool is fantastic for getting a full-page screenshot, which looks much more professional than a simple cropped grab. Just find Go Full Page, click Add to Chrome, and it'll be installed in your browser. Once it's ready, go back to your Notion page, click the Go Full Page button, and let it capture the entire template. It may take a few seconds, especially if your template is long or detailed. Don't worry if the screen blinks or scrolls, that's totally normal. Once it's done, download the screenshot to your computer. You'll be using this image to really make your Pinterest pin pop. Alright, you've got your screenshot, so it's time to head to Pinterest and create your pin. Remember, pins are how people discover new things on Pinterest, so this step really matters. Hit Create Pin and then upload the template image you saved. You'll want this pin to look eye-catching and clear. Think of it as your product's billboard. Spend a few moments customizing your pin. Add a title that describes your Notion template. Write a short but compelling description that lets viewers know why your template solves their problem. And if you can, sprinkle in a few keywords they might be searching for. Don't worry if you're not a designer, Pinterest has built-in tools for cropping, text, and basic edits, so just focus on making it readable and visually appealing. Now comes a crucial step, adding your Etsy shop link. This is how people who love your template will find and buy it, so make sure you copy your Etsy listing URL and paste it into the destination link box on your pin. Double check that it works. You don't want to miss out on sales due to a typo. Once everything looks good, hit publish. And that's it, your pin linked directly to your shop is live and ready to attract interested buyers. And there you have it, you're now set up to market your Notion template using Pinterest and Etsy, no social media grind required. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want tips for optimizing your Etsy listings, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital product tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I wish you tons of success with your Notion templates.